And then look at this trend line. See this? And it just kept going and going and going. And then I drew another trend line from the bottom here to where it went, just to show you, like it still kept going, right? Look at that trend line though. You see both of these? So if you got in on this, right? These trend lines are going to help you guys hold that conviction. See it right there? Look at how beautiful that is. So remember this when you guys start panicking on this pullback, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one, right? And then this one. Do you see how they all have these pullbacks, but it was still riding that beautiful trend line until here, right? I mean, AI was an absolute perfect example of this, right? So if you entered anywhere in here, let me draw this trend line, right? So this was your trend line, okay? So this would have been the first entry, right? Or trend line we were at. It pulled back, made a different looking move, but then it started again right here, and then it took off and didn't make a change until here, pulled back, and then what? If I drew another trend line, see it? Then it did this, and then here's your other trend line. Do you see them?
It worked out just like that as well. So
Yeah,
thank you.
that's perfect. Yep.